Hey, how you doing? Justin Sandico here, and welcome to my beginner guitar course. Thank you very much for choosing me to be your guide on this most excellent adventure. Now, the lessons in this series are structured exactly the same as they would be if you came to have one-on-one lessons with me. This first one is a little bit longer than the others because there's a few really important things to explain right off the bat about reading chord boxes, explaining some of the fundamentals, how you hold the guitar, holding picks, all of that sort of stuff is included in this very first lesson. So don't worry if it's a bit long, they're not all like that. I'm also going to give you a full practice routine explaining exactly what things you should be practicing for how long every day. If you want some extra fun to go with it, you can watch me learning guitar left-handed in the Nitsudge series, because I learned guitar left-handed to make sure that I could give you the best possible beginner guitar course, because I've just experienced all the stuff that you're about to experience. Now, if you came for a one-on-one lesson with me, the first thing that we would do is we'd have a little bit of a chat about your goals and ambitions on guitar while I tuned your guitar for you, but that's not really possible via the internet. So you're going to have to learn to tune your guitar on your own, and that's what we're going to do in the next lesson.